Hello and welcome back everyone to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your employee account on the usbank website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and in the address bar type in careers.usbank.com/employee-resources. You can now press enter and this will take you into the employee website for usbank. In order to log into your account, click on the candidate login at the top right corner and this will take you into the login page for the employee. Once you are inside the login portal, you can simply enter your email address followed by your account password and then click on the sign in button, which will log you into your employee account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the forgot your password button, which will ask you to enter your email address once again. And after entering your email and clicking on reset password, you will be allowed to reset your password from the email that you received from usbank. And there you have it. That is how you can go about if you wish to log into your employee account on the usbank website. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.